Okay, here we are. I have recently gotten a new light, so I hope everything is going okay. Yeah, there she is. I think it's pretty dang cute myself. This little crochet part, I can't, my guy is really tall. This little crochet part right here, the necklacey parts, I really like this a lot. I especially like it doubled up. I think when you have this on, it's gonna look really cute. Well, and because I have a double on right now. Oh, it's all twisted up. Now I didn't make this one. I purchased this one at a show we went to from a gal, but I do like the double up. And this one, very cute. So there we go. I'm quite happy with it. Now this one I made longer. I was making them short and long on purpose. I could give that one a little trim probably. And then I am gonna want to, what's up with you, little cutter? I am going to want to hit those with a little bit of glue. But quite honestly, I'm pretty happy with it. And this little guy right here, he just slides around, making everything even. There we go. Quite cute. Let's get a measurement on, I guess I forgot to do a measurement. Where's my, I measured the strands to be 18 inches, so I assume it's going to hit at 18 inches and then dangle from there. So let's double check. Hits exactly at 18, and we're going to get to the pendant at 20. The pendant hangs down at the very longest bottom of the pendant, 23. 22 and a half, so 23. Yeah, I like it. Alrighty guys, well, I hope you guys are enjoying these projects. If you are, please make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all the things. Do all the YouTube things. Those are helpful. One more tip before we go. A thing I always do with stringing projects is I'll give it just a mist of water, just a smidgy on the string. And then I hang it up. So like I have, I don't know if you guys can see this, but I have a little thing up here where I can hang things, and just so that they relax and things get, you know, in place where they're supposed to be. So there we go. Project 1. Not mad at it. Let's see. Project 2. Oh. Strong necklace with the crisscross front. This is going to be our next project, Project 2. This one's with the chain. So there we go. I hope you guys are having a lovely, spectacular, amazing beading day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.